Hi, my name's Pete Christofferson and I work for Chicago Faucets. Today I want to tell you about our touch-free E-Tronic 40 series faucets. E-Tronic 40 is ideal for installation on sinks with a single hole or 4-inch centers, and it uses the same technology as our E-Tronic line, so you can count on fast, dependable operation. The E-Tronic 40 has dual beam sensing for better performance and reliability, a durable all-metal body for high traffic areas, above deck electronics for easy maintenance. It's backed by our industry-leading warranties, including 3 years on the electronics and 5 years on the body. With our optional Commander programming unit, you can adjust and monitor E-Tronic 40 from the palm of your hand. The E-Tronic 40 can be up and running in minutes. Let me show you how. Since our sink has 4-inch centers, we'll need to install the 2 mounting posts. Then add a bead of plumber's putty on the bottom edge of the faucet body. Place the faucet on the sink. Attach the supply line and turn on the water. Install the aerator. Remove the tape and wait 15 seconds for the faucet to self-calibrate. And that's it. The E-Tronic 40 is an easy to install, easy to maintain, and cost-effective solution for any public restroom. For more information, be sure to visit our website or contact your local Chicago Faucets distributor.